Release date on stage 1 of SEMA 2025. You know, we're now became pretty much part of SEMA. Everybody expects us to show up, bring some heat, and honestly, we love it. It's stressful time, but team comes together. It's a good vibe in the shop. Everybody's helping. It's a really cool thing to see.
We had to do it, man. We had to do it for the grants.
Ever since the last SEMA to this SEMA, we have made some really great partnership with some of world's, I would say, finest. They're top tier. I mean, Carlex, very, very unique. I want to one day be like a Carlex company because the attention to details, the way they represent the brand, it's very professional and is extremely bespoke. I mean, as bespoke as it gets. You guys should check out their Instagram. We are becoming one of their main people in North America for their builds, which is, it's been a year and a half back and forth and talking to their team and actually going there and seeing the facility and touring it and have made really great friends with them. So we're very excited. Venom Black, I don't know if you guys know, if you guys want crazy out of this world stuff, that's them. You know, their stuff is as brutal. It's brutal, right? So we're building 2 cars with them. Rolls-Royce Dawn, that is just gonna be like a spaceship pretty much. We are building a Persangway with them. But I'm gonna kind of show you around. We have a couple of last minute old projects that will finish up. One just gets started is Aroma. That should be done here in a couple of weeks. I took this SV on a tray, the gray Revolto that we had, and you know, I love the car. I like that red candy. Red is one of my favorite colors. Instead of wholesaling it, we usually don't sell stock cars. We always have to do something with the cars because that's what we're known for. So I'm like, okay, do I want to, you know, the car was wrapped, so do I want to mess with it? But I decided last minute to let's go ahead and build it. We never had the beefed up SV, so this could be one of the first, you know what I mean? Get some MB4 or AL13, I don't know, one of the two. They had it in stock, they came, they look great. I had a hood, a Duke Dynamic hood in stock, full carbon, so we painted that. I get add-on lip kit coming for it, side skirts, front lip that's aggressive. The car is lowered on Rift system. Car already came with performance package, so already sounds amazing. I think it's gonna be really cool. I actually thinking about shipping it to Vegas during SEMA, so I have something to drive around. I think we'll check a lot of the boxes. You know, it's loud and obnoxious and it's red. What else do you want? Hey. So long story short, this client of mine wanted that gray Revolto, was sold. We finally found a car. The dealer that was gonna sell it to him, it was Cephas Blue 2025, was gonna sell it to him, last minute sold it to somebody else. We already had the kit coming, we already had signed the paperwork, he already, everything, and the dealership sold it. So he was very upset. With God's grace, I had the same exact car. Like literally the twin sister to the car that I bought for SEMA project. I'm like, I have a replacement. He said, what do you mean you have a replacement? I said, I have the same exact car. I mean, so we end up giving him our car. Now I was carless for SEMA. I had to find the car and we found that beautiful matte pink. That car is gonna be fire. We're gonna redo the interior because I don't know who spec it. I'm gonna have to have a talk with them.
Beat them up.
Yes, they did an amazing job on the exterior, and when it came to the interior, they all picked orange. I didn't know pink and orange were, you know, friends, but we're not gonna make them live together long. So we're just gonna change the interior on that. This gentleman, my very, very good client, he traded his Huracan Technica in. I gave him honestly more than I thought the cars were, but as a courtesy, he had a bad experience with the other dealer, so I'm like, hey, I'll make it better for you. So he said, cool, let's do the deal. I picked up his car with transport halfway here. I haven't even had the car. He calls me, Sai, I miss my Huracan. I'm like, what? He's like, yeah, man, do you mind if I keep it? I'm like, no, man, of course not. So I said, I tell you what, I'll pay for the transport back. Dude, that is so cool, appreciate it. Tell you what, wall is there, do some stuff to it. We're like, okay, so we're just doing a simple tune and a catback exhaust and a full body PPF and gonna send it back to him. So he was very grateful to see his car. His first supercar. He's like, dude, it's like a sentimental. I'm like, keep it, man, that's we get cars all the time, so I'm not really worried about it. Red Revolto, Gary, definitely a character, right? Gary, Gary is one of my favorite customers, man. He is as cool as they come. I guess his son was here, and his son is, is amazingly cool too. So he came here, he said, man, my dad never gonna drive this car. I'm gonna drive it. This car came out amazing, man. Full Bespoke Duke Dynamic kit, AL13 monoblock wheel, getting a full PPF on a full body. We tailor-made his steering wheel in-house, all that done by Mr. Javi, head of our upholstery department. I think this looks sick. We found the leather to match his factory leather 100%. Look at that. Look at this. We call this the dirt room. All the dirty work gets out here. All the technicians, they can make any mess they want, but they have to clean up at the end of the night. No dust goes inside. That's why inside the shop is so clean. So that being said, Marlon and Ruben, they are building this car, which is the Venom Dawn widebody. Telling you guys, this car is gonna be next level. I heard about Venom when they barely had any followers. I followed them. A lot of people thought that they're just making renders, because for marketing, which is genius. They came out with some badass rendering. They showed the world their vision, what they want to do, and they kind of see how the response is. If the response is positive, then let's do it. So the response was very positive. They quickly went over 1 million followers. People love their builds. It is absolutely different. It's very unique. So if you want something that is literally nobody else gonna have, Venom is the product. They're only making limited of 25 cars per model. So it's not 25 in the world. So you see that all over, right? Everybody has the same, we like to do stuff that nobody else really does or have, that makes it individuals, and I think we've already kind of known for that. We're excited about this. Look at this side skirt. Look almost like a step to go in, if you're asking me. This car will be dumped. It's gonna have some amazing wheels, deep dish, because we can really concave that front and the back. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Interior, you guys saw, like this car dumped in some brush polished wheel with big lip and that orange interior with white accent. I mean, if I don't care who you are, you care for cars or you don't. If you're not gonna like that and say, man, that is a very unique build, then I don't know what it is. Anyway, she'll be ready. There's a lot of work needs to be done. The Persong Way will get here tomorrow morning. We're gonna come take a delivery of it. That car is gonna be next level too. Maybe you can tell us in a comment. So this is what we're trying to do. The interior is blue, the exterior is white. So we're gonna keep the interior blue because it's a beautiful blue from Ferrari and we don't have a lot of time to redo an interior. We have forged carbon. Should we keep the forged carbon or should we do candy blue carbon to match the interior? I'm leaning, depends on how the candy comes out. I'm in the mood of doing the candy. Tell us if you think we should do the candy or leave it alone. We're gonna be working tomorrow. I told the boys, hey, this is gonna be your last weekend. You can take a day or two off. So tell the family, tell the wives, tell the kids, we're busy for next 3 or 4 weeks or weekends or late hours because we get it pull through, right? This orange going in the Dawn that we're building, this thing gonna be amazing. We have our new machine of this bad boy. This thing can do anything. If you look, these are British flag that's been perforated to go inside the seats. The exterior is going to be white. The interior is going to be orange with the white accent. And I think this car is going to be stunning, man. Wide, low, just
beefy.
Yeah, beefy. It's nobody else going to have this car. I mean, literally, if you want to stick out like a sore thumb, I know you.
We love our Miami clients.
We love our Miami clients. They get us. They totally get us. Texas clients and Miami clients, you guys are always welcome. We love you guys. Seriously, you guys are like, I think the coolest cats around because you guys love our builds everywhere, man. I mean, you want something different, something that's built quality. Anywhere you go, it's not overly done. It's not looks tacky. It looks elegant, but still sporty. The colors go together. The wheels we pick. We're excited. This SEMA, our SEMA event party. It is November 1st, Saturday night. Anybody in town, out of town, you guys want to come, it's open to public. We're gonna have food, music. We're gonna reveal all of our SEMA builds. The cars get loaded the next morning, go to Vegas. They're gonna get loaded right after the show, come back to Arizona, go to the World Polo Championship in Scottsdale. They're gonna be displayed there. We're gonna do some amazing videos and rollers and go over everything with you guys. So hopefully to see you guys November 1st.